Hi everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts Arne and Carlos. We're still here in beautiful Lofoten. We're filming episodes during our road trip, and today we have a mystery for you.
Look.
Do you know what this is?
We got this.
And it's not a maracas.
We got this from Arts and Crafts Association in Norway, and it's a Nøstepinne. And actually, we really didn't know when to use it or why we should use it.
Or how to use
Or
it.
how, because like I thought there was something you had the ball of yarn like this, and then you put that in your belt or something when you were walking around knitting. And
I didn't even know what it, I mean, I was like, But anyway, let's start with the linguistics of this whole thing. So this is a Nøstepinne. Nøste in Norwegian is a ball of yarn. That's a yarn nøste. But nøste is also to make a ball of yarn. So to wind a ball. And pinne is a stick. So if you're going to translate Nøstepinne into English, it would be winding stick. However, Arne, I have been Googling and I have been looking for the name of this in English, and it turns out Nøstepinne is the word in English as well. Or apparently this is something that is called by its Norwegian name.
Oh, that's cool.
So that's very cool.
But these are beautiful.
They are lovely.
The one who made this are clever because there's like a ball, wooden ball inside. So when you do your nesting, winding, you get this noise. And now we know, and you know, we went on Hurtigruten on a knitting cruise, and one of the ladies at the cruise, she had one of these Nøstepinne, and she asked us, have you ever used the Nøstepinne? And I said, no, I haven't. We haven't, but I know we have Nøstepinne somewhere. And then she said, well, I can show you. And then I promised her that we should do a video on YouTube.
Yeah, and wait, she's got the best Instagram handle any knitter could possibly have. So on Instagram, she is Chief of Stash. I love that.
Yeah.
She's Cheryl, Chief of Stash.
So thank you, Cheryl, for sharing your Nøstepinne knowledge. And now we will see if we can make it or not, if we remember.
Okay, and full disclosure, that day on Hurtigruten when Cheryl showed Arne, I wasn't there. So Cheryl has shown Arne, and I never saw it. I have no idea. I haven't even watched a tutorial. This is going to be the first time for me. Have you ever tried it?
No.
But you've seen it?
I've seen it.
Okay, so you are one step further ahead than I am.
But if you look at the pin, I think this must be where you hold, like this is the handle, I guess, and then the nøste, the ball of yarn, should probably end up on this part, I guess.
And then how do you get it off?
You take it off.
Okay.
And then I will show you on this yarn, because this is the perfect yarn, and a lot of people ask us, how can I make 2 socks at the time?
At the same time?
At the same time, because a lot of people like to do that.
Well, then you have to wind the ball.
Then you should wind it up, and if you have a Nøstepinne, you can do it. Actually, I brought this one also. You can use this one.
Yeah.
Why should you when you have a Nøstepinne?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so for this perfect, you have to find the right end.
And you have to pull from inside.
And you have to pull from inside, so that's this end. And I guess I've been doing something with this once. So, if I remember correctly from Cheryl, you should
Is this where you hold it?
No, it's on the handle.
Okay.
So I think I will wrap a little bit around the handle.
Okay,
like
wait
this.
for me.
Because this yellow you don't need anyway, you just need to wrap it out. So just a little bit around the handle. And then I guess you have to work it like you work this one. Like the yarn is going
Wait.
up and down.
So this?
Oh, that's enough.
Okay.
Yeah. And then when you wind, you just start doing this. I guess, if I'm wrong, I guess people will tell us.
I'm not getting it. Oh, okay, let's go that way. Oh, okay.
And if you're good at it, you get a rhythm. I'm not good at it, but still I have like this sound.
But hey, do you? Oh, you don't go up there. Okay.
Yeah, no, you have to keep it on this part, I guess. But it's nice when it makes the noise.
Oh, okay.
Or it's not a noise. What you call that? This sound?
Like a rattle?
A rattle? It's a rattlesnake.
And again, you are the quickest in the whole world.
And Cheryl, if you see this, don't laugh at me because I'm not as good as I think I am.
Oh, you can laugh at me, I don't care.
I hope you can get it off later.
Yeah, that's what I don't understand. How do you get it off?
Maybe we do it the wrong way. You see, this is Arne and Carlos doing things they've never done before. Because the Nostepinne I saw, there was no... This was not... Maybe it's this way, Carlos. That's more logic. See, it goes that way.
Okay. So,
don't do this at home. But this is what we do when we do things we've never done before. We just fail. Like when we did the Nøstepinne in the museum.
yeah, that was embarrassing. That was
I
humiliating.
didn't understand anything.
But then we got a video tutorial, so we'll just watch that and learn from that.
Oh no, this makes sense. Look, now this makes sense. It must be this way.
Whoa. You're going too fast. Okay.
No one is laughing now because this is perfect. But you have to make the sound.
Oh, sorry. I can't do
These are nice. I think I love the Nostepinne now.
You do?
I'm so good at it.
I can't make the sound.
Okay, Carlos. I think we made a fool of ourselves now, so now you can end it.
We can?
Yeah. Everybody
Okay.
know what a Nostepinne is now. It's a stick for a ball of yarn. You make balls of yarn on a stick.
And I have a silent Nøstepinne.
Did someone take your balls away?
What do you mean?
Not your ball away.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, have you had it already?
I had it already. But now I know how to do it.
Well.
Because this will slide off like... See? It's so easy to put it off.
Oh
because
yeah,
It goes
it
that
will,
way.
yes, it will. It will slide.
So I'm never going to use this one again.
No. I'm sure that you can get a tutorial if you look on YouTube. That
From
will,
someone who knows
from
what
somebody
it is.
who knows what it is. And in the meantime, we will perfect our skills and we will come back and show you, once we have become the world champions of Nøstepinne.
Nostepinne. And I can promise you, this is not the last time we do things we've never done before. I like to do things we've never done before.
Well, I'm glad you could figure out that we were doing it upside down to start with. I'm sure people were cringing and screaming at the screen. Oh, it's upside down, it's upside down.
But at least we have the most beautiful Nostepinne in the world.
Yeah, mine is a little silent. I can't manage to get it to make any noise. But I suppose practice makes perfect, so I'm just gonna go home and practice.
Yeah. So if you like this video, put your thumbs up. If you don't like it,
Which may happen.
which may happen, you can still put your thumbs up. And remember to subscribe, because then you get all the new episodes. And put on your notifications, because then you get like this bling or something. I never know what you get. And then you don't miss an episode.
Yeah,
Was that correct?
that was very correct.
See, you get so focused.
I
You can
know.
hardly speak anymore.
But it's
I
actually,
think you like it.
I like it. I'm liking this. Even if mine isn't making any noise, I'm enjoying myself. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Now I need to get on with my Nøstepinne.
No.
So
Bye.
we'll say bye. Bye.
We can use them as
Yeah.
Caracas. No, what's it called?
Not Caracas, Maracas.
Maracas.